to the channel. Today is the day that I'm going to tackle this project. This is an offset flail mower that will be fit on the smaller case, which now has the rear remotes. As you know, there might be a possibility that I have difficulties assembling that, but most likely it will be fine. So, let's talk. Stick around. So I'm assuming this one comes outside just because of the leg. So, and this one, I'll assume like so. Some kind of blocks here. It doesn't fall on me. Now about this guy. I'm assuming the cylinder is going to hook from here to here. So I've put the washer inside the fork here. So the fork here goes over that tab, washer in between the fork, black fork, and the red tab. This one first. So I'm moving this way. So I can put them up. Okay. It doesn't want to return because okay. So what I did basically on the cap, I let go the air. I'm going to put the leg here. Okay, that's the other leg for the attachment. Okay, quick update. I've routed all the hydraulic hoses, including on the tractor. By the way, on the tractor, this is a new installation, by the way, so that's why I have to modify it a bit. First of all, I've reversed this cylinder. Reason is simple for me. So whenever you get anything going here, it's going to hit the rod. That's not good. But I plan on making one kind of a protection here, which will be pretty much foolproof. I've done that on outriggers for backhoe, which is very effective. And the idea to have the cylinder part instead of the rod part on this side here is to get the hoses in a fixed position as opposed to this side, so the hoses are extending and retracting. So routing the hoses when they move, that's not nice. I've put the banjo bolts both sides. I checked this, it should be rotating against this pivot point, so it should not hit anything there. And as far as the hoses goes through the pivot point, they should not have to stretch or retract. Same here, I had one hose going this way, goes by the pivot. So whenever we go this way, they are just going to flex the hoses, not going to stretch anyway. I go through that loop, which I assume was meant for that, tie down the 4 hoses on the top, made one loop here because I get extra length, and I'm going here into those color coded. So I took time to notice which one does what, so I can hook them right each time. Okay, before I move to the gearbox, I'm going to give it a try. One last look. So whenever you have a chance to look at different angle, this is easier when you have to duplicate the same work. Now, the gearbox. So I'm going to help myself a bit and to remove this part because trying to bolt both at the same time is going to be tough. Okay. So go like so. It's going to be okay. I'll put the large and big washer from the inside and the small one with the nylon nut outside. That's 18 millimeters, so I have to go this way. So it's not tightened yet, so I can move a bit so that I can adjust the tension. Now is a good time to put the belt while I still have access, and the nuts. So by eye, I can see if the pulley is parallel. Okay, looking from above, I'm going to look. So that's the bottom pulley and the top one. And I don't know if you see that on camera, but it should be offset a bit like so. Or actually could go like so. I'm just wondering, yes. It would be in good alignment. So it's just a matter of lifting the back of it. I'm going to put tension, and before I tighten them, I'm going to lift the back and see what it does. Now it's lifting the wall assembly, so this is slotted holes inside. Okay, that's it for the gearbox. I'm going to tighten that, but before I'm going to check if the alignment is good. Not. Like so would be great. Stay. before I go too far and I forget about that, I'm going to fix that. Okay, I use those two, but on this diagonal, because this is going to hit if I use it, otherwise 13 millimeters. Okay, it's time to grease. I've been told we need to put a lot of grease, and obviously since the bearings are new, it needs a lot to fill them initially. So going with one or two shot is not going to be enough. Now it's coming out, so like maybe 15 shots. Okay, so far 80 shots, 80, and my tube is empty now. So this is the oil I've been given for. Okay, let's figure first if the shaft is not too long. That says the furthest position this way, and yet I still have some play. It's great. I want to make sure that was not too short or too long actually. Okay. Okay. Well, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed joining me assembling this offset flail mower. Tomorrow will be a tile because now it's pretty much dark outside. See you on the next one. I got this flail mower at Roulement Techno. They are located at Laurier Station. It's in between Drummondville and Quebec City.